Hey guys, get comfortable because you're in Rachel's Fun Corner. And if you want to know why I'm sitting in a bathtub, then just watch this video. Today guys, I will be filling my bathtub with squishies. And a lot of fun effects will happen in this video. So let's get right on into it. So excited for this video. But there might be one thing I need. My squishies. Let them rain. You know what? I'm going to get out for this process. It's so soft. But I feel like I am missing one thing. I know. My goggles. This kind. Or this kind. This kind. This kind. Or this kind. I'm gonna have to go with this kind. So now I have goggles on, but oh no, it is slowly eating me. Oh no, I'm starting to get wet. I have to change into okay, phew. Now I don't have to worry about the water eating me up. I'm in my bathing suit. I don't have to worry about this whale and this dinosaur going. Anyway. Yeah. Uh-oh. A hurricane. Oh no! I must get my hard hat on. I'm perfect. Bye-bye. Be at the pool next time. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I mean, I'm sure I did. It was like a skit and it was very funny, I hope. And, I mean, look at me. I look ridiculous. I'm wearing this top, these pants, yellow goggles, and a hard hat. And swimming in a bath of squishies. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was really fun for you. As fun it was for you as it was for me filming it. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that big red subscribe button. Bye guys!